launch today, we are very glad that we have been able to launch this party formally today, because as you are aware that on the 5th of October we had already announced that a group of concerned citizens of the state have decided to launch this new political party, and today we have been able to make it, and that is what only I have to say. When we form a political party, our purpose is to capture political power. So you cannot capture political power without contesting election. So definitely we are preparing. We are preparing the ground to field candidates in 2023. I cannot say that VPP will contest from all the 60 constituencies, but definitely we will be contesting. We will be trying to contest minimum 40 constituencies. When you look at the situation, you may think it that way if the situation is normal. But the situation as of today is not normal, where the people have experienced a lot of hardships. They have experienced, they have faced problems, and they have also seen the failure of this government, and also the failure of existing established political parties in the state. So there is a general opinion and feeling among the masses that they are fed up with the existing political parties, so they want to see a new political party which is fresh, clean, and that depends on the candidate we are going to set up. So the most important thing that we have to do is the selection of the candidates. It depends. If we can put up right candidate, educated candidate, a candidate with an integrity, we will definitely, I don't see any problem because of the situation. I've just given my speech in the meeting that it is too premature for us to decide with whom we will work post-election. Nonetheless, no one is untouchable, but we prefer to strengthen our own party first, and we will see after the election. I think when we discuss about the formation of this party, we have spelled out very clearly our vision, the principle and ideology. So anyone who share and subscribe to the ideology, principle and belief of the party will be acceptable to us.
Border. Yes, including the border issues.
You see, there's a lot of issues as you have just said. We are concentrating not on those issues affecting the community or the security of the indigenous people. We are also concentrating on issues affecting the economy of the state, the livelihood of the people. So definitely it will be included in the list of the party. They will remain to be issues dear to the party, provided we get the support of the people. If we don't get the support of the people, then how do we expect that we will be able to fulfill? Because to fulfill the aspiration or the issues of the party needs to have a people's support. We need to have numbers of MLAs in the assembly, because it all depends in the assembly and in the government. So we are looking forward for the support and cooperation from the people, and we are looking forward to the people to give us a chance to lead the state.
Except businessmen also to join the party, corrupted MLAs join the party.
When the party is being formed on a solid foundation, and the party will be guided by principle, issues and vision of the party. So as I've told, no matter whoever you are, once the person or the candidate subscribe to the idea or the principle of the party, will be acceptable. We don't mention anyone. Maybe a farmer, maybe because anyone, but if he subscribe to the principle of the party. But we prefer fresh, we prefer educated, we prefer people with integrity. That is the preference. To border talks, there is no harm to engage in dialogue. our stand remains that the party should not, the state should not lose from these dialogues. You see, I think when it comes to the issue of ILP, we are very clear. We have been raising this issue, and personally I've been raising this issue when I was an MLA, and it remains an issue with us. We will definitely include this issue in the party agendas. I think the government has already deceived the people of the state and even the pressure groups, because I don't see that the resolution passed by the assembly is the right move when it comes to the implementation of ILP. I've been raising this, that this is very much misleading. If the state government really sincere about implementing ILP in the state, it could have done it without passing a resolution in the assembly. So passing the resolution in the assembly is only an attempt to shake the responsibility and shift the responsibility to the center, which is not the right way and proper way to do. Si pat ka thungkam thungjam lese ka dei la koi pat ka benta ka youth policy ka dei kumno ban promote ik youth kumno ban tap ik talent si jungki hakabangi kum ka party hi ngidang we are working on those areas. We have constituted different committees. We have constituted committee on human resources. Nakata daw hakabiri bat ka youth policy lese ngin pinyasno bat ka employment. Tendring ye kren ye ka jing thungkam thungjam hakarpam ka bam shai blok unfair. Kabangi snow mata shrum seneng ba kibun ki kren ba ladakan like kanu kanu ka post ngin hapan siu bida ka pisa. Ta hadu kanu ka takalong ka jing shisha. Tendri ka jing thmu ka jing kalong ba lada ngi wan hakabor ngin ensure ye ka transparency but ye ka fairness hakabri ba ka recruitment policy jong ka soka.
Dia ka actually kalau kena employment crisis kini iba samla ini sini like ka post tang sejak khasantli complete ndai gili rong ki
kaniru kan ko ini kimat kom ka party bangin simkhya namang iba ka jingkru kam ke jam kalanan kiu te ndai menta Denmark kata daw ngi ong bangi bo ya kan ka committee on economics, so that this committee will work out, will study the problems and offer a solution. Hakabidi but kini kijing.
Kumu belum kadang ka think tank committee.
Hakani ka committee, let me tell you that in these different committees that we have constituted, there are many experts that we have already roped in. Hakini ki committee, kidon ki expert, kidon ki crowd perkat ki pro jibing ki ban ki badon hakini ki committee. Manage the time. It all depends on how do we manage a time to reach out to the people in this very short span of time. So we will definitely work out our plan accordingly, because we have got party workers everywhere. It is not that we have less party workers. You have seen this is the formation day, so we will start from today only to prepare the ground. So definitely it may be a disadvantage for us, but we will definitely work hard to ensure that we manage to win this assembly election in 2023. Ngidon ka jingla ka jingbamla will be known only after 2023. So now we will fight, we will go to the people, we will educate the people about the danger of money power during election. So the result will be seen 2023. Whether mo ngila ngimla tendri mentangin ong bangimla kam day ngi la day bangin ong ngila ngim patit ngin pek kin karung ne em kata ka jinga hendre ngila pen kre bangin si pai ba ban penshai ya ka jingma jo ka por pisa election ai long ka jing pakre ka jingi ka la day ka party kam day ya ka constituency tendri ngasuko apa nong men kani arpulai very clear, very simple. banga klemrem de kapsa te tamo pil sotho banga klemrem de kapsa te but kamdei tangkawi ka tao bangarem ladangarem de kapisa ladi benrem de ki hajar bo te hanongkrem constituency anumla apna bo barden rem de kapisa de don't give ki factor ki ba plong barden bo rem but which is not true ladangarem Namar because I was not there in the constituency or busy campaigning other candidates of both HSPDP and UDP ngala day ban rem nadu kasni bangi pelong ya ka rally kelas public rally kade hadian ke public rally ke bangi pelong ha ka up south trek bakini ke opponents nga berkhoi ki ba preng rak ban penrem ba arden tilada kade banga ngarem namar bangam don constituency crowd would not have gathered largely on that last day of polling campaign.
Kenapa reverse? Kita ada reasons. If not, muni pawag ida.
One reason we had an alliance with UDP. UDP did not support me here, so I lost by 76. That is very much one of the reasons, and other reason also.